everyone, welcome. Grab a message, grab some tea, grab a divine download, okay? Take off your shoes, relax, kick your feet up, unwind. Here, okay? Let's vibe. Let's get into these luxury feels, these luxury vibes, okay? Let's channel. Also, I want to mention that Pink House has so many new drops, okay? Make sure you check out pinkhouse.com.co to purchase your new incense holders, your candles, your rugs, okay? Anything that suits your needs, okay, boo? And if you would just like to support the channel, okay, I do have a personal Cash App specifically for Pink House supporters, okay? So that will be right in the description below. It's also in my description of the channel, okay? So yes, make sure y'all check that out. Pink House does offer more than just my channel messages that I love to do. I do these messages for free, and I offer them at the times that I am able to do them, okay? Yeah, so thank you for all the love and support that you guys show. Like, share, and subscribe. Check out Pink House merch, Pink House furniture, Pink House new items. Yes, so there are many things that you can do to show your love towards Pink House and the growth of Pink House. Get into it. Let's get into these messages. They try to silence you only for your voice to grow louder. They try to silence you only for the whole world to now hear your truth. The more they try to silence you, the more your voice gets louder, the more the truth gets louder, okay? I'm literally picking up the energy of somebody who they want to get rid of you, but they're only digging themselves more into a ditch. I feel like somebody believes that something has worked, wanting something to be destroyed for you. Okay, let's get back into that. Like I said, they want to silence you, but your voice just keeps getting louder. You have a beautiful voice. Some of you, whoever I'm speaking to, your voice is beautiful. Okay, this is something that they want to attack because it's so influential. You speak the truth, okay? It's a difference. Like, you're not out here tearing people down. You're speaking the truth. If you don't like something, you speak on it. If you like something, you speak on it. If you no longer resonate with something, you speak on it. Like, you're very vocal with certain things. You're very truthful. They wanted to silence you only for you to get louder, only for your energy to get louder, only for your presence to get louder. Even when you're chill, you have much impact. They hate that you are truly divine, but these energies are trying to attack you because they wish that they were you, okay? You're very magical, very otherworldly. No one can do it like you. No one can replace you. There is someone desperately trying to hide their jealousy, okay? Someone is beginning to look like the witchcraft they have done. Somebody is very jealous that your beauty is not manufactured and is remembered. People remember your face. People remember your voice. People remember what you have to say. People remember that you're not to be played with. I'm also getting somebody risked. They literally put their life at risk in order to come against you. Somebody may be literally losing their life. I'm hearing tonight, because of what they've been doing behind closed doors. You don't fit in, you transcend. I get there's something specific here where you got at least 10 people who wish they were you. At least 10 people who wish they had it like you. Out of all 10 of those people, I'm picking up 3 witches, evil witches, okay? They are attempting to siphon off of you, okay? I'm getting you do not know these people. You do not know them, but they are attempting to siphon off of you. Somebody is secretly in a dark industry, nervous. These people nervous. Now you do. I'm getting somebody was fooled by somebody, okay? It's giving somebody's afraid of you. So they're like pushing somebody else to do what they're afraid to do. I'm also getting somebody is lying. They're lying. They may even be saying that you are sending attacks to them in order for somebody to feel comfortable attacking you. Somebody is lying, saying that you are something easy to come against and they're asking somebody else to do the work for them. Okay, the dirty work for them. Spirit is on their ass. All right. Every which way they try to make you look like is who they are. Okay. Getting something evil. Mad because they ain't you. Literally, yo. I'm telling you, if you had the opportunity to see all the people who wish they were you, you will be shocked, because I get that you wouldn't even know some of these individuals. You will be shocked at who these individuals are. Others of you, of course, if you're an intuitive, you pick up on certain energies. But I get that even your energy is elevated to where even like certain spiritual attacks don't even touch you because you're that elevated. People cannot be shady in your energy. The universe always catches it. Okay? It's like everything that people try to manipulate, or any type of weird energy that people try to send out, people are catching it. Okay, I'm getting you have some supporters. You have some people that ride by you. I'm even getting angels. Okay? The severity, okay, of treading lightly when it comes to you is being seen on a large scale. Wishing that they were you. Okay, I'm also getting some people are sick to their stomach when it comes to the actions of somebody else. I'm getting also somebody was sent out to do something, but it's like they see that this is all because of somebody's jealousy. Something is always universally understood. Somebody has like a jealous spirit and people see that shit on them. Okay? People are seeing that shit on them. You are a star. You know, stars deal with people who, you know, they become obsessed with them. 1 minute people like them, 1 minute people don't. Good thing you're self-validated, because yeah, and it says right here, you don't lower your frequency to be liked. You're not trying to make people comfortable in order to be liked. But I don't get that you are the type of person who is going around just downing people. I get that you're just truthful. And you're willing to accept the truth on all angles, okay? Even when it comes to things of yourself, okay? It's certain people that you fuck with, it's certain people that you don't fuck with, and you stand on that. Okay, you stand on that. You are a winner. Someone is crushing on you hard, okay? Someone in the, I don't know what I meant to put there. Someone in the what? I feel like this person is keeping themselves hidden. The person that is crushing on you, this person may be like some type of famous person, okay, that's crushing on you. All who went against you are intimidated now, scared shitless. Drop dead gorgeous. Your beauty can kill a motherfucker. I'm literally getting that. Your beauty could kill them. They mad you inherited triple gifts and beauty. Okay. Somebody try to be calculated with you. You're not powered by the industry though. You're powered by divinity. People think that you're powered by, you know, what they say or how they treat you. No, you're powered by yourself. And that reminds me of one of my songs that I'm getting ready to share with y'all soon. All right. You speak so well and so sexy. I'm telling you, you are something. Like, the compliments are going to be coming in. Jezebels, okay? Some Jezebels. They don't even compare to you, baby. They not even on your level, even an ounce. Okay, you read this bitter woman to feel. There's a very, very bitter woman who sees you and you eat at everything you do. You just be killing it. It got this person wanting to do some spell work. Like I just said, oh my God, that is so crazy that came out as soon as I said that. Try to hex you only for you to still be the baddest. You make them nervous. You making whoever was doing these hexes on you nervous. It's all going back. And everything is finally coming to light. You don't know how fine you are. Your truth is your armor. Yeah, keep speaking your truth. It's your armor. Keep speaking your truth. It's your protection. You are a beautiful soul. These lies won't last. Okay, these lies are going to be the end of somebody. Okay, when do they not win? When do they not wish they were you? Yeah, it's like I wrote that today. And I felt this feeling that came over me. It was like this real cocky feeling. It was like, when the fuck, like, of course they, you know, hating. Like, when don't they do that? When don't the nasty, stank, dirty energies hate? That's what their jobs are to do. Their jobs are to hate, okay? It's like, you're becoming immune to something, right? But it's like, it's not that it's not going to be taken care of. And it's not that it's like it's going to be okay just because you're immune to it. Like when somebody lies to somebody, okay, in that moment, they may believe it. So it may cause somebody to feel like, okay, they have to question something, okay, unless they're, you know, they're very sure about something. But when somebody's consistently lied to, they begin to believe something. So there may have been some type of manipulation going on, but something is going to be revealed. You're crowned by chaos, protected by purpose. Yeah, you can handle anything, my love. You can get through anything. And you're going to be redeemed. All right? The lies will burn their mouths, okay? You will be vindicated. You will be vindicated. Something, oh, and as soon as I said that, this came out. You will win. Okay, you are protected. Okay, this man wants to worship you. Time for true love. They blame you because you fine. They mad you inherited every last gift. They mad because somebody desires you. They mad because you're actually very gifted. This evil woman hates that people adore you. Her witchery fell. Want to silence what's beautiful about you, but it's only getting better. It's only getting better. All right, somebody was real cocky, okay? They were confident in the attacks they were sending your way. but no one can stop your destiny. It's coming in boldly. Okay, you are blessed with outer worldly features. Okay, like I said, it's something about your beauty that cannot be forgotten. It's also something about your voice that cannot be forgotten. Not powered by industry, you're powered by divinity. You're protected from evil eyes. Okay, so what you may be feeling is just evil eyes. All right, people who they're just jealous of you, and somebody thinks that you give a fuck about something. Okay, also, I got again, just because she's comfortable within her sexuality does not mean whore. Not just next, but anointed. Many envy your appeal. Don't take it personal. Keep eating. Okay, so there's something about your sex appeal, right? And it's different. It's not your typical. You have something very unique about your beauty. I get that people, when they see your face, they kind of get stuck. Like some people look at you and they get angry when they see you. I'm telling you, when they hear you speak, when they hear you rise another day, you are literally the main topic. You are the main character, so you have to expect to be the main topic. You are something special. You better know that. And I think the karma is not only somebody getting sick within this cult, but I'm also picking up that somebody is going to watch you win. Okay, they're going to watch you win. They're going to watch you get more beautiful. Okay, they're going to watch you continue to do what you do. All right, I'm getting that you're continuing to do everything that be having these bitches pressed. Okay, and do what you got to do. You are beautiful. Bye-bye.